In the diagram, the line PQ is parallel to the line RS. Angle QPT is equal to 70 degrees. Angle RQP is equal to 30 degrees. And angle TRS is equal to X. Find the value of X. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We are going to find the value of X. To do that, let's complete this parallel line with a short dashes, just as we can see here. When we complete this parallel line with short dashes, we can see that the angle formed here, which is 70 degrees, and the angle formed here will be corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal. So if here is 70 degrees, then it means that here is also 70 degrees. Let's call this point A. If we consider the points A, R, T, we can see that they form a triangle. The points A, R, T forms a triangle. One of the properties of angles in a triangle is that in a triangle, an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. If we consider the triangle ART, we can see that X is an exterior angle. Its interior opposite angles are 70 degrees and 30 degrees. The property says that an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So it means that X, which is an exterior angle, is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles, which are 30 degrees and 70 degrees. So X is equal to 30 degrees plus 70 degrees. 30 degrees plus 70 degrees will give us 100. So it means that X is equal to 100 degrees. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is D.